Turkana County residents who reside along the country's border areas say they can no longer rely on neighbouring countries for help during tough times such as the drought, owing to tensions revolving around cattle rustling and banditry.
Now, those who had traveled to the neighboring countries for food and water have been sent back home. Lois Wangwe reports from the Kenya-Uganda-South Sudan border, where members of the community are facing starvation.
The Eropoi Plains along the Kenya-Uganda-South Sudan border are home to a number of Turkana clans. Here, we meet Awoi Echoman, his wives and children, on their way home from the neighboring Uganda, where they had sought to cushion themselves from the ravaging drought in Kenya.
Wamefukuzwa na ukame kutoka Kenya. Wamepanda wapi? Juu Uganda. Kufika pale wamesubiri kidogo hapo wakikulisha, lakini walipata mateso kubwa sana. Wamerudi sasa hiyo vile walifukuzwa ndio wanamama ovyo ovyo. Wanatafuta mali penye iko nyasi, wanatafuta mali penye iko maji.
This is one of the hundreds of families chased away from Uganda due to a soaring relationship between the Dodot tribe of Uganda and Kenya's Turkana community over cattle rustling and banditry. The evictions mean that such families will have to face the drought at home.
Ndio wako sasa wamefika hapa na njaa yao mingi sana.
Changamoto nyingine pia unapata kwamba ili upate maji huko lazima upeane mbuzi. Kila siku unapoenda kunywa maji lazima utoe mbuzi ndio upate maji. Bila mbuzi unakaa kiu. Ama saa zingine hata unafungua huwezi pata maji.
Stringent security measures on the other side of these Lotele hills, which act as the border point here, further discourage Turkanas from this region from seeking help in food-rich Uganda.
Ukienda Uganda unaambiwa usikuje na bunduki. Unajua wanaamini sana bunduki ya kwamba ni fimbo ya karibu. Ndio wanaona kwamba hawana usalama. Wao ndio usalama wao. So wanasema wanaenda naye ndio mambo yoyote jambo lolote likitokea wanaweza kimbilia.
This is the picture in many parts of Turkana. Starvation is rife at Oropoi village. Was later, we catch up with Awoi's family, still on the move and under the scorching sun on their journey back home. At lunchtime, some little shade under a tree is their only way of refreshing themselves. They lack water and food, but keep on with the journey seeking survival. Oropoi border point is home to a number of clans from Turkana community. A majority of whom are facing starvation. They too must deal with the situation at home. Lois Wangwe, NTV, in the county of Turkana.